my name is Jacob and I'll talk about flushes this time. Okay, there are 3 flushes I'll talk about. The first one is this kind of fan. It's called one-handed fan and it's really easy. The second is this one. I'm not that good at it, but I'll be at some time. It's called thumb fan. You can also use your index finger if you want. And the third is the spread and turn over. Okay, first fan is called the one-handed fan. You hold it like this. Your 4 fingers on the back, and then your thumb about on the corner at the deck parts. So let's say about here. Then you kind of snap your fingers, like if you snap, but just with all your fingers. You just do that, and then the fan comes. You make the fans. It's a bit hard at the start, but you'll get a hang of it. Okay, the second is the thumb fan. Yeah, it looks like this. I'm not that good at it, but first you hold your 2 fingers, the index finger and the middle finger. You hold them about here at the bottom of the cards. The bottom of the deck should be aligned with the middle finger. Then, and you hold your thumb about there, or in the middle. And then you put it really hard, and then you just take your thumb and takes it around like that. I'm not that good, as I said, so but you can probably do it a bit better than me when you practice a lot. But now the last one. It's called the spread and turn. Okay, it's quite easy. Well, just if you have a good surface on it, of course, just set it here and then hold your index finger about where you want the cards to go, and then when you want to turn over, just take this card and turn it over. But you can also do a bit like this if you want to brag. And then when you come here, you just take the deck and do it like that. So I'll say the things again. The one-handed fan, snap. The thumb fan, like that. And then the spread and turn over. That was just 3 flushes. Subscribe up here, and we'll see you again. I'll see you again. Bye.